start. Then came the first 5-year plan, and we were assured that more food had been produced. And as I said, if we analyze the statistics of the various states and the center, we will find that more acreage has been brought under cultivation than what is actually available in India. The second 5-year plan, of course, lays emphasis on industrialization. Originally, it was estimated that under the second plan there would be 25% increase in food production, but the Prime Minister, instead of 25% increase, was not sufficient and that it should be something like 40%. Last year at the Food Ministers Conference at Missouri, they wanted more funds in order to ensure 40% increase, but the Prime Minister put his foot down, saying that not a single rupee would be given, but that the 40% increase would have to be achieved. Sir, it is not as if by a magic wand these things were to be achieved easily. Parachute. Sir, if we examine the various measures taken for this food production, we see that for the grow more food campaigns and other things, lakhs and lakhs, I should say, crores and crores of rupees have been given to the various states. Various amounts have been advanced to them for the purpose of bringing more acreage under cultivation, but all this money has not been properly utilized. And if we go into this question more deeply, we will see that large sums of money were advanced for developing mechanized farming, but that money was spent for other purposes. Similarly, for wells, some money was advanced, but it was not spent for that purpose. Therefore, it is quite natural that the situation in regard to food production should be what it is. Paraging. Now, what is the present position? We have been told by the Food Ministry that the production has actually increased, and in the statements which the Food Minister made here very cleverly, only the average production has been shown, but if we go into the figures of actual production, we will see that actually the food production has been on the decline. Sir, in the month of March, a white paper was issued by the Food Ministry in which the figures of actual production were given, and here I would like to quote a few figures which they had given. If we again see the statistics of the Food Ministry, we will see that availability of food grains per capita does not show any rise, while demand per capita is increasing because the population is growing.